The materials formed by the high-pressure ball pressing mechanism are energy-saving and environmentally friendly, easy to transport, improve the utilization rate of waste materials, and have good economic and social benefits. With the continuous innovation of the technology of the ball press industry, the types of products are also diversified, and the position of the high-pressure ball press is also more and more important. The newly purchased high-pressure ball pressing machine needs to pay attention to a lot of matters because it is a new machine, so the use and maintenance of high-pressure ball pressing machine during the running-in period should pay special attention to the formation of customary maintenance of equipment. In the use of the correct maintenance of the high-pressure ball press, so as to better ensure the timely operation of the high-pressure ball press, prolong the service life of the equipment, and improve the working efficiency of the high-pressure ball press.